Oh, I've been having multiple allergic reactions for a couple of months.
To what? What's happening?
We had some mold treatment at the house done, and when I got home after the chemical treatment, I started having breathing difficulties, and I've been seeing my GP and managing with my antihistamines and everything.
Have you taken an antihistamine?
Yeah, I have, yep.
How long ago?
About an hour ago when it set in a bit stronger, because I haven't been well for a couple of months now, but I thought that I might get a locum out tonight. Yeah, definitely. I've been just sort of getting through it every day and night. I've been seeing my GP, but it's just so long. I'm just sort of struggling now. It's been so long been struggling with my breathing.
A bit of a tip for you. Can you go stand outside for a bit?
I do that actually regularly to try and, try and clear lots of water, lots of sips of water.
Short. You're very short at the moment, so your breathing's kind of having a bit of difficulty. So